Okay, now read. A greater city had a population of 2 crores 15 lakhs 39,728 people. 75 lakhs 45,741 people came from neighboring states. What is the present population of the greater city? Is the question. Now, after reading the question, come to an understanding and what is given in the problem, we write it as steps. Okay. How many people are there in the greater city? Population of the greater city. So, population of a greater city population of a greater city. How much? Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 2 crores, 15 lakhs, 39,720. From the neighboring village, from the neighboring states, some people came to this greater city. From the neighboring states. That means from other countries. How many people extra came to the greater city? That means some more people are joined. Some more people are joined from the other states. They came. How many were joined from other states? So number of people joined. Number of people joined from neighboring states. That from neighboring neighboring states. Number of people joined from neighboring states. How many were joined? This one. 75 lakhs. 45,740. Extra joined. Where in the beginning? In the greater city, how many people are there? That one. That is 2 crores 15 lakh 39,720. Now what happened from the other states, that means neighboring states, some more people were joined. How many were joined from the neighboring states? 75 lakhs 45,740. So if extra people join means what happens here? Present population, okay, will be more. So the present population of the greater city. So by joining some extra people, okay, the beginning population will be changed. That means by adding these two, okay, at present how much of population is there in the greater city, we can say by adding these two. So present population of the, so after joining present population of the greater city So what we do? Add these two. Plus add. Okay, by adding these two we get the present population of the city. So here addition operation is needed because including the extra people we are telling the present population. That's why before population that one. Now extra added this one. Now present population means we add this 2 by adding these two things. 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 4 6, 7 plus 7 14. So write 4 here. 1 is to be carried. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15. 5 1 carried here. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8 here. Here 5 plus 5 10 0. 1 carried. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2. Once again, 6 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 4 6, 7 plus 7 14, 4 here we write, 1 carried, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, 5 here 1, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8, 5 plus 5 10 0 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9 2. So now read units tens hundreds comma, thousand, 10,000s comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs comma, crores. So what is the present population to crores? 90 lakhs, 85,460. That is the present population of the greater city. Okay, now we go to one more question. Sir. Now we go to sir. Now we are going to the one more question. The next working sum. In this working sum, what is the given question? Read first. In a meaningful way, read the problem. Anish had rupees 49,87,500 rupees in a bank. He withdrew 2,25,600 for purchases. Next month he deposited 39,500 rupees. 39,500. What is the present balance in Anish's account in the bank? That is the given problem. Okay, after reading what is given, write as the steps. What is given in the problem, write as the steps. In the bank, how much of money Anish had? Very in the beginning, in the bank, how much of money Anish has? 49,80,500. That we write here first step. So, money Anish had in the bank. Rupees 49,87,500. Next. He withdrew. Withdraw means taken back. Some amount he is taking back. Why taking back? For purchases. Some amount withdraw by Anish. For what purpose he has taken? For purchases. How much of amount to taken away by Anish for purchase? 2,25,600. So that we write as a second step. So money taken away for purchases. For purchases, how much of amount taken by Anish? This is what we call this withdrawal. Withdrawal. This is what withdrawal. That means he is taking back now. That's what this is called withdrawal. So here in the brackets we can write in the brackets withdrawal amount. How much here? 2 lakh 25,600. Okay. Now come to the next one. Next month, he deposited 39,500 rupees. Deposited. That means in the next month again he is keeping some money in the bank. In the next month he is keeping some money in the bank. 39,500. So next month, deposited money. How much amount deposited here? Rupees 39,500. Okay. So present balance in the Anish account. Present balance. Present balance in Anish account. Now what we write here? Anish account. Present balance. So very in the beginning how much is there? 49 lakhs. 87,500 is there. From this, how much amount taken back? Withdrawal, how much withdrawal? 2,25,600. Withdrawal, that's why we keep minus. Why? Because he is taking back for purchases, that's why. Minus 2,25,600. The next one, he added, that means here deposited. Deposited means again he is some amount keeping in the bank. Okay, that's why we add this plus 39,500. So here, what we do here? The first very in the beginning, bank balance and deposit amount by adding these two numbers and subtract this purchases amount. For purchases, he has taken back 2,25,600. Then we can get a present balance in the bank. Otherwise, we can write step by step also. We can do. So, first one and last one we add. Why? Because this is deposited amount. The next one is deposited. Where in the beginning this much of balance is there. Add these two. From that you subtract this middle amount to purchase this amount. So add. Okay. These two add. 14 is here. And that one. 39. 5. 39. See here. 39,500. 39,500. Add these two. 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 7, here 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, 1, volunteer. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1, here 5, 50 lakhs 27,000. From this you subtract purchases. For purchases you have to withdraw it. So here okay, minus purchase for purchase withdrawal amount 2 lakhs 25,600. Subtract. Okay, children. Okay. So you followed on this one, that's why you need not keep here. So subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus not possible, no subtract. So take borrow from the next place. Then here 0 becomes 10 and 7 becomes 6. So here 10 minus 6, 4. Here 6, 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Here 0 minus 2 not possible, subtract. That's why 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 2 here 8. Here 4. This is the present balance in Anish account. So here what we write here? Rupees 4801 400. Read units, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 48 lakhs 1,400. 48 lakhs 1,400. This is the present balance in Anish account. Okay, once again, just you study, children. First of all, this much of amount is there in Anish. Okay, account. After that, this amount was taken back by Anish for purchases 2,25,600. Taken back. This is withdrawal amount. That's why this amount subtract. In the next month, he came to the bank and deposited some amount. Deposited means we are adding some amount in the bank. That's why deposited. That's why the 39,500 amount deposited. This is the bank transaction. The bank transaction done by Anish. So present balance in Anish account means what we do here? The beginning balance amount and that deposited amount we add, and from that we purchase this amount to subtract. That's why here added this one and this one. I showed the addition here, and from the you subtract 2,25,600. Then this is the amount present in the balance. Okay, children, did you all understand? You see, children, up to now we discussed